In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and add ad group level negative keywords. Okay, so we're logged into our AdWords account, and let's say we already have a group of negative keywords that we want to put at the ad group level. I'm going to show you first how to add them. So first things first, go into your campaign, come up here to keywords, come up here to negative keywords, click the plus sign, keep this checked, and you come right here. Add to, campaign, ad group level, select ad group. Let's say we want to do reseller. So you choose the ad group you want to put the negative keywords in, paste them in, hit save. That's it. They are added to that ad group. Now you might be wondering, well, why do I need to add ad group level keywords and not just campaign level? Well, if you have a campaign structure, some people do it this way. I've done it this way before and still do in some cases. So let's say we have white label PPC agency, and then we have here white label PPC management. Well, maybe we don't want the word management showing up in raw search terms. So for agency ad group, so what we would do is come into the ad group for white label PPC agency. Come and add at the ad group level. You see we're already here, and put management. Okay, and hit save. So that way, in this ad group, there we go. In this ad group, any of these that this might trigger something with the word, or this might trigger something. These might trigger something with the word management in them, because that's just the way AdWords works. And we want white label PPC management keywords, any type of white label PPC management keywords we want to show in our management ad group only. We don't want them to show in this. We only want agency in this. So that's a case where you would use ad group level negative keywords. Okay, just kind of to increase the relevancy of the ad groups and just make sure that they're not getting mixed up. That's all it's really for. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, just drop them below the video. I'd love to help you out. It's pretty self-explanatory. Use it with caution. It really, you gotta have they're good for big campaigns, let's put it that way, and to increase your relevancy. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give me a thumbs up if you can. I really appreciate that. And check out the links in the description. I put some cool stuff in there for you.